temperature here in Amritsar is around 4 degrees. And literally nothing is visible. Fog. Today it's day 7 of our trip. We are in Amritsar, Punjab. And in Srinagar it will be around -2 or something now. By night it reaches up to -5. So it is our first experience to try that too. In the past 4 days, we were stuck with only poha, samosa, and parathas. Today, finally, it is going to be a continental breakfast. So the time is 9:30 now. We are in Kashmir. We have another 80 kilometers to reach Srinagar. The temperature is damn freezing. It is -1 now at 9:30. So it might go till -3 to -5 at night. We have stopped in this small restaurant because we could not find anything. The roads were the worst. We could not drive faster than 30 kilometers per hour speed. We started with the mark of 200 something at 4 o'clock, and it's 9:30. We have covered 100. So disaster. Nikhil, first time in Sub-Zero, -1. How do you feel it?
After I eat food, I'll tell how do I feel.
After he eats food, he'll tell. How's it, bro?
I can feel nothing. None of my organs are working.
It's actually fully shivering. We are just sitting here because we want to eat, but if not, we would have not stopped the car. It's better to sit in car. Outside it's shivering.
So inside the car it is like normal temperatures of 22 or 23 we keep, but outside it is very difficult. We don't have any senses here. Time is around 12:30. We are finally checking in Kashmir. The temperature is -3 and even the nostrils are getting blocked. So here in Lee Heritage, this is a room tour and they have bed warmers, small heater more than the heater. I think this will be like perfect. It'll heat up the bed. -3, man. -3 is horrible. This is the only hotel that we booked in less than 5 minutes in this trip. We were inside Kashmir. It was like dead freezing cold. We didn't have any other option. We found this hotel nearby. We just booked it, but it turned out to be good. Washroom is like half of the size. Heat ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ ಅದು ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ದಾ
ಪರಿಚಯ ಇದೆ
ಹೌದು